Welcome to one more wonderful video and informative video of this penthouse construction prefab what we did. This you can see, this was the initial video where customer wanted to use this whole area as one hall and one bedroom. The roofing was with this kind of blue color coated sheet and steel framing was done, and you can see this is the terrace. Now what we have done is we have used Aerocon wall panels which are lightweight. This was done on 6th floor again. These are the 2 feet by 10 feet walls which we have done. So we have converted that area, all that area, into one big hall, one bedroom and also one washroom. We have provided with this 75 Birla Aerocon walls. You can see this is the washroom what we have done, and this was utility area which was already present there. So you can see this is the difference between the existing roof, what it was and what we did. So you can if this joints, there will be waterproofing issue if that is not done properly. So we will provide some waterproofing solution with the elastometric paintable membrane, and this you can see the time lapse of the PVC fall ceiling. This is the final look. You see customer has selected the color for that, and outside we have applied the texture. Wonderful. Nobody can be able to identify that this is a 3-inch 75 ready-made wall panel, and we have given provision for the AC installation also. PVC ceiling, client has chosen the material. We have fit their fans, lighting. So this whole scope of work what included here was the putty, painting, plumbing, sanitary, door, window, tile, electrical wiring, lighting, fall ceiling, steel structure, roofing, waterproofing, and the columns you can see also here. The steel columns are also covered. Now nobody will be able to identify whether that this is a steel structure with the Aerocon wall panels. Wonderful plumbing accessories. This is the utility area. The existing wall also we have converted, and we have applied the texture, and client was very happy. Thank you for watching our video.